How's it going today, guys? I just got a quick tip for you. I got this mower and the brake handle doesn't go back when you actually let go of it. You actually have to physically push it back. So basically what I'm going to try and do is remove a little bit of slack from this cable. Alright, so I got the top side off. Alright, so now the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove this side of the cable by pushing these two tabs in and pulling the plastic part out, and then the cable just slips off. Now, a lot of times people don't realize that these are cables, they do stretch over time, and there is a little bit of an adjustment on these. This end is actually screwed on there. It's actually got threads. So what I can do is I can actually lengthen the length of this sheath, which actually in essence shortens this cable length, and then what that will do is put more tension on the cable. Alright, so I've reinstalled it on this end here. This end might be a little bit tricky. Alright, there we go. Now, what that does is now there's more tension on the cable, just a little bit, but just enough to get that handlebar to come back on its own. So that's your quick tip for today, guys. Thanks for joining me in the garage, and as always, if you like the content, if I helped you out, please hit the subscribe button. Until next time, take care.